Let's unbox the Aura Carver 10-inch digital Wi-Fi frame, gravel with paper mat. Inside the box, you'll find a quick start guide with simple setup instructions. Next, the Carver Mat 10-inch, a digital frame with a 10-inch landscape display, matted modern design, and a built-in stand. The frame design is stable and feels solid when placed on a flat surface. Beneath the frame, you will find a power cord for continuous operation since the frame has no battery. Before setup, remove the screen protector by pulling the tab on the side. It will say, "Happiness starts here," or "Picture more joy." There is also a film across the touch bar on the top of the frame that should be removed. Next, download the free Aura Frames app and easily sync your camera roll. Plug in the frame, connect to Wi-Fi, and begin adding photos or videos. The frame has no internal storage or SD card slot, and all the photos sync through the Aura app with unlimited cloud storage at no extra cost. Aura Frames are a great way to stay connected with loved ones all around the world. Through Aura's gift options, you can offer frames to friends and family with the ability to preload the frame with a personalized message, photos, and videos.